The Madkhalism is a word used by a faction of the Muslims. And this is a byproduct of the intelligence department, the CIA, whatever, used to deviate and split the Muslim ummah. So you have people who think in a particular way, and you have others who think against them. Though they're both Salafis, they're both following the Quran and the Sunnah, they pray like each other, they consider the major shuyukh, bin Baz, bin Uthaymin, al-Albani, to be their shuyukh, but they differ on few things here and there, and this is what is causing drift between them. It started with a dispute, an argument, a debate, ended up in slandering, in labeling. So if you're not with us, you're against us. And this is what parties are all about, though they say that we don't follow parties. So they consider anyone else to be to be Khawarij, Sururi, Qutbi, etc. All of these things, and they call them Madkhalis, they call them Murjis, they call them. This exchange of labeling names is what is killing the ummah. Instead of uniting, instead of coming together, instead of reading the Quran, the Sunnah, with the understanding of the Salaf, people have been polarized. And this is damaging the ummah. Leave everything behind you, akhi, and focus on studying the Quran and the Sunnah with the understanding of the righteous predecessors. Your scholars who are not controversial are the ones who you should follow. Sheikh bin Baz, Sheikh bin Uthaymin, Sheikh Al-Albani. These guys are not controversial. Listen to them, learn from them, and you, inshallah, will be in safe hands.